Here's a 2019 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, GMC 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, external memory control, active grille shutters, remote engine start, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.